Have you ever wondered which AI model is best for your PC without spending hours testing different options? In today's video, I'll show you a quick and simple way to find the best AI models for your computer using the Odysseus Cookbook feature. This built-in tool analyzes your hardware and recommends models that are compatible with your system, helping you save time and avoid choosing models that may be too demanding for your PC. To get started, launch the Odysseus application on your computer and wait for the main interface to load completely. Depending on your system, this may take a few moments. Once everything is ready, look at the left side of the application where you'll find several navigation options. Click on the section labeled Cookbook. This area is designed to help users discover AI models and useful recommendations based on their hardware configuration. After opening the cookbook, the application will automatically begin analyzing your computer. It checks important hardware details such as your processor, graphics capabilities, available memory, and other system resources. Based on that information, Odysseus generates a list of AI models that are better suited for your specific setup. This makes it much easier to choose models that will run smoothly without unnecessary trial and error. The scan usually completes within a short time, although older or slower computers may take a little longer. Once the process finishes, review the recommended models and compare their features before making your choice. Using these hardware-based recommendations can help improve performance and provide a better local AI experience. That's it! With just a few clicks, Odysseus Cookbook helps you find the best AI models for your PC quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit HM Advisor for more useful AI tutorials and tech guides.